Some of our viewers might have noticed that there are motorcycles in the background of some of our videos. That's because we're not just personal watercraft fans, we're power sports enthusiasts. In fact, right now Chris has 5 insured motorcycles: a 2016 Honda Africa Twin, a 1983 Honda VT500 Ascot, a 1982 Honda FT500 Ascot, a 1995 Triumph Sprint, and a 1995 Triumph Daytona Super 3. As we're spending more time on the motorbikes and less time working on the personal watercraft simply because they're in great condition, we've decided to start working on a new series of motorcycle maintenance and repair videos. Now don't worry, because of course we're still going to be making personal watercraft videos. So keep an eye out for videos from our new series and let us know what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching.